Hello, I am Renuka Devi. I am working as an assistant professor in Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. I belong to Business Administration Department. Today I am going to discuss about the law of variable proportion in economics. Actually, under this law of variable proportion, we are having three main important stages. So, first stage is law of increasing return. The three stages of law of variable proportion, once we are going to discuss under this stage, the total product or the production means will be making an increasing rate upon a point, will be making the marginal productivity also rises, is a maximum at the point, and the average product will be going up on the during the first stage. The total product goes on a some increasing rate but at a diminishing point. Marginal product falls but is positive. It will be making the when the curve will be reaches the highest point. So thus in the first stage the average positive curve will be making the rises throughout the, whereas marginal product curve fine will be making in the start falling after the reaching its maximum point. What is the main reason for increasing returns in a factor? In the sense, we are having so many reasons of this application we have to follow under. Okay, and the point number one is underutilization of product or the factors. Okay, so the main fixed factors, when we are taking in the fixed factors in the beginning, some of the companies or some of the industry will be making the fixed factor remain unutilized, and also they will be making the variable factors should be increased. Full utilization of the fixed factor will be becoming a positive approach, and then will be getting the result in increasing return. And second reason for the factor will be influencing the increasing return, indivisibility of factors. Suppose if you are creating the some factors, generally we are taking the factors will be in a some taking into the consideration for the indivisible. Okay, so the indivisibility of a factor means the particular technological requirements. For example, we are maintaining the some minimum amount of the factors will be utilizing for, and also the employed, whether whatever the level of output will be increasing. So thus why it will be making indivisibility factors will be influencing the increasing return. And point number 3 of factor we are considering the law of increasing return is specialization and also the division of labor. Okay, so the division of labor is nothing but we have to divide the labor for the particular activity, or the specialization based on that we have to increasing the particular productivity. And also we are the making the second stages we will be making in the law of decreasing return. Okay, so the diminishing, or otherwise we can call it as a decreasing return. So the law of decreasing return, under this stage the total product will be continuous to the increasing in a diminishing rate. Okay, so that diminishing rate is nothing but it will be making some decreased. Okay, the output will be when reached on the maximum point, where the particular in the second stage, under this stage the marginal product and also the average product of the particular variable factors continuously fall under this stage. So under this stage is very important, because the firm will seek to produce in its activities and also the ranges. Can we take in the reason? So what is the reason for the particular product will be coming under the law of diminishing or the decreasing return is? First, point number 1, first and foremost reason is certain factors remain fixed. Okay, so comparing to the law of increasing return and the decreasing return, whereas the law of increasing return, some fixed factors only we will be making in the some underutilization, okay, but under this diminishing return, the remaining all factors will be making as a fixed activity, and also the certain factors become scarce, okay. Scarce is nothing but as unavailability of the particular product will be making in the production, then lack of perfect substitution for the factors of production.